Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put about y equals to this one. Next, I will put about natural log for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we know that capital A that is about s, capital B that is about s to the power of s. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of ln y, we have first derivative of y over y. Next, we will do first derivative of ln s, s to the power of s multiplied by ln s. Later that we do first derivative of ln s multiplied by s to the power of s. This is about the product rule of derivative. Now, I will consider about this one only. So I will put about h equal to s to the power of s. Now we do the same technique in here. And then I will put s go in here. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have first derivative of h over h equals to first derivative of s multiplied by ln s plus first derivative of ln s multiplied by s. So, first derivative of s, we have number 1. This one, we have 1 over s. So, s over s, we have number 1. Next, we put h go to the right. And we know that h that is about s to the power of s. So we go back in here. So first derivative of this one that is about this one. Next, first derivative of ln s, we have 1 over s. Next, I will put y go to the right. And we know that y that is about this one. And here is the answer for the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.